Your brain doesn't procrastinate because it's lazy. It procrastinates because it's trying to protect you. Procrastination feels like a personal failure, but it's actually a biological response. Your brain is constantly choosing what feels good now over what helps you later. And the reason is simple. Your brain evolved for survival, not productivity. Thousands of years ago, there were no deadlines, no emails, no homework. Your brain was built to focus on immediate rewards and immediate threats. So when you sit down to do something difficult, boring, or uncomfortable, your brain reacts. Not logically. Emotionally. The moment you think about starting a hard task, your brain activates the limbic system. This is the emotional part of your brain. It asks one simple question. Does this feel good or bad? If the task feels stressful, boring, or overwhelming, your brain labels it as a threat. Not a real danger, but enough to trigger avoidance. At the same time, another part of your brain, the prefrontal cortex, tries to plan, focus, and think long-term. This is the rational brain. But when stress increases, the emotional brain becomes stronger than the rational brain. So even if you know what you should do, your emotional brain takes control. That's why procrastination feels automatic. Now let's talk about dopamine. Dopamine is often called the motivation chemical, but that's misleading. Dopamine is about anticipation of reward, not effort. When your brain expects an easy reward, checking your phone, scrolling, watching a video, dopamine is released instantly. Quick pleasure. Low effort. But when the reward is far away, like finishing a project or studying, dopamine is delayed. Your brain doesn't like waiting. So it pushes you toward activities that provide instant relief, even if they don't matter. This is why procrastination feels so powerful. Your brain isn't avoiding work. It's chasing comfort. Another reason your brain loves procrastination is task overload. When a task feels too big or unclear, your brain can't predict success. And when success feels uncertain, your brain avoids starting. This is why vague goals like, I need to study, or, I should work on this project, are so easy to delay. Your brain prefers small, clear actions. There's also something called time inconsistency. Your brain values the present moment far more than the future. Future rewards feel distant. Present comfort feels urgent. So your brain says, I'll do it later, and later never arrives. Here's the key idea. Procrastination is not a lack of discipline. It's a miscommunication inside your brain. The emotional brain wants to reduce discomfort. The rational brain wants long-term results. The solution is not willpower. The solution is strategy. Instead of asking, how do I force myself to work? Ask, how do I make this easier to start? Break tasks into tiny steps. Lower the emotional barrier. Start for just 5 minutes. Once you begin, something changes. Action reduces fear. Movement creates clarity. And the most powerful rule is this. You don't need motivation to start. You need momentum. And once momentum begins, procrastination loses its control. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to Brain Minutes for more brain facts, simple explanations, and quick ideas to think better.